Tomric at our very core is a mold manufacturer. It's what got us into business. So we originally known as Tomric Plastics. We made Easter Bunny molds and plastic molds for a variety of applications, and it's really what we were known for. That we created a whole catalog full of seasonal and novelty products. From that became a whole line of business around custom mold development. Mold design usually starts often with a sketch. And then that sketch is realized by our artistic team that's here, and they'll tease that out and they'll create the look and feel of what the customer wants.
We can take any sort of design, can actually render it, make it into something that would work for our customers. If for some reason there is a design that we know might not translate well in chocolate, we can actually recommend some solutions to improving the design so it looks really nice in a customer's chocolate.
It used to be done through just taking a hunk of clay and they'd sculpt it, and then through a series of processes we'd send it to the customer and they would evaluate it, and more often than not it was the wrong size, wrong shape, too heavy, too light. And over time we've been able to evolve that into a digital sculpting process. So now we digitally sculpt for our customers. We can send them renderings, they can approve it, we know exactly what it's going to weigh. And from there, we have it in digital format, we output it into our CNC. So we do a rapid prototype that's done. We hand form plastic tray samples from that and we send it to our customer. They test for size, durability, functionality to make sure it's addressing all their concerns they have for the tray. Once that's approved, then we create the final die development tooling package that's going to be used in order to run that. That's a very involved process. So we're designing both the trimming side of that and the forming side of that. Those are typically machined out of aluminum, and it is a very durable process, and it creates a long-lasting tray that would handle millions and millions of parts. So we're creating long-term solutions with that. So we're machining this product. We've cut down the time it takes to go through the iterative process to make molds from weeks and months to days.
All of our manufacturing people in the back, all the machines in the back are like turning out all of these beautiful molds for our customers across confection and bakery industries and beyond. And that's really one of the things that helps make us different from a lot of our competitors, is that we have the capabilities to make molds in-house.
We do have two options in order to create a custom mold solution for our customers. One of them is where we do the tooling and the forming of the plastic molds right here. We use the thermoforming process using polycarbonate material, which is a food-grade, highly durable material, to create those molds here. The benefit of that is that it's more cost-effective for the tooling and the turnaround time is much shorter. Now, there's another solution that we can create for you depending on the application, is also an injection mold. The injection mold is made in conjunction with one of our European mold partners. We do the initial design right here, and then they're made and formed so that they would work and integrate into, let's say, a molding line that'd be used for a high volume production.
So we are often asked, well, what happens to our tooling? What happens to our molds after the project is over? We store them in bins per year, alphabetically per customer. We can actually pull that tool, we can look through our file, see what gauge plastic we used, and we're able to then form and send new molds.
And it's really been great for us, and it's been great for our customers because our speed to market has really improved, and that's helped customers. So we really want to help people make better chocolate, and that's what we're all about.